Hello there, YouTube. Today is Thursday, February 1st. I pulled my bike in the garage last night and I got another low beam out. I think I'm probably on like the 5th or 6th low beams since I've had this bike. I don't think they make those bulbs as good as they used to, because it's never one or the other. It's never both of them that goes out. It's always one or the other. So I don't buy the real expensive ones that are 50 bucks. I buy the cheap Sylvanias that are probably 15 bucks. But they always seem to go out. I don't know why, because they're always on all the time, and I do ride a lot. I'll be at 60,000 miles today. So I do ride a lot, and those low beams are always on. So they last about a year, and then I got to change them, then they go out. I don't know if anybody else has that problem, but I've always had the problem with this bike. They don't, about every year I got to change them out. I think the originals probably stayed a couple years, but ever since I've been buying them, they've been lasting about a year. And they burn out. I had one of my Cree lights burn out down here on the right side, so I ordered a couple more of those Cree lights, those angel ring Cree lights, to put in my floorboards. I like those. I want people to see me when the light gets low, and I don't turn them on now because it just looks funky because one's out. So they're Prime. I ordered my Amazon Prime. They should be here in a day, or probably a day or two, and I'll swap one of those out. Anyway, it's supposed to be up to 74 today. It's only 66 right now. I'm on Highway 71. I just went through Horseshoe Bay. Gorgeous area. Oh my lord, those homes, multi-million-dollar homes on the lakes. And now I'm heading towards Llano. I'm not going to get barbecue there. Those mountains are pretty cool. Not mountains, but hills or whatever. Anyway,